East Turkestan, and in Uyghurs, we all need to stand up together, be united, and fight against the brutal Chinese regime. In 1987, the Chinese students took to the street to fight for democracy, and we all know what the outcome was. I want to ask you people, do we want another Tiananmen Square in Hong Kong?
No!
I believe that this is the best time that we all stand united and fight against the Chinese government. The Tibetan people in Tibet have been deprived of their basic rights. Their life in Tibet has become a living hell. And today, I want to let the people know that today it's Hong Kong. Tomorrow, it's going to be Tibet. Thank you. Thank you.